Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm the head of customer experience and conversion for Iceberg Digital. And today we're going to talk about how to create a market appraisal appointment. Let's get started. So first, you'll want to click on your calendar. Then you'll choose the day of the appointment. You then choose market appraisal appointment, and we'll now fill out the details of the appointment. First, you can change the title of the appointment to be anything you would like. This will go on the calendar entry and will be visible by everyone. Next, you can choose the branch and the valuer. It's important to choose these now, as you cannot change these later. Then you choose the event start date. So we're going to put this for the 22nd. And then on the bottom of the calendar picker or date picker, you get to choose the time. When you click on the actual minute or hour, it's available to choose which hour you'd like. So we're going to say 9 a.m. on the 22nd. The duration is the amount of time the appointment is expected to take. It will block out that particular person or user until that time is up, so they won't be able to have another calendar entry during that same time. Down below, we suggest filling out your contact details first. Choose your contact type. Are they a vendor or a landlord? The salutation, first name, surname, email address, and the mobile phone number. Please remember that mobile phone numbers or email addresses are a required field. In other words, you must have an email address or a mobile phone number in order to put any sort of contact into Lifecycle. You can also add the landline phone. Add new communication. This is a new communication type that isn't listed above, so you can add an additional email address, mobile phone, or landline phone number. We're going to skip that for now. Down below is the correspondence address. We'll put in this postcode, and then you can choose from this list. If you do not find the address in that list, choose one that's close, and then you're able to make edits to it later. Once you're done with your edits, you've got your subscriptions. If a person has said that they do not want to receive any information from you other than the market appraisal itself, here's your opportunity to remove the emails that will go out to them. You can add contact notes. These are internal notes only, and they're available for you and your team to see. Click on Save Contact. Now, if you were to exit this now, this contact would not save. You must complete the entire market appraisal appointment and save it for the contact to save. Another thing to keep in mind is that if the contact that you want to add is already in the system, a pop-up will appear and you'll be able to choose that contact's information. So if you need to add a market appraisal for a contact already there, you're able to do so still from the calendar. Up at the top is your market appraisal type. You can choose sales or lettings. If you click on Save as Correspondence, the address from the contact details comes over into this area. If not, you'll put in the postcode and click on Find. Down below are the property type, property style, the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and receptions, the tenure, and what kind of parking they have. While you do not have to answer and fill this all out now, it is recommended you at least fill out some of it to make it easier for your valuer when they're in the field. The property notes are also internal, so feel free to fill those out. Over on the right-hand side are discovery questions. The discovery questions are designed for you to ask during the appointment phone call, but can be asked at any time. We recommend that you fill these out, but they are not required. The reason we recommend you fill them out is that your valuers are able to access Lifecycle through their mobile phone or tablet before they enter into the appointment, and they are then able to cater to that particular customer or client based on their questions and the answers. You can change these discovery questions under Forms, which is located in Marketing and Autopilot. Once you're done with everything, you click on Create Appointment. After you've created the appointment, this screen comes up. You are able to edit information in here, such as the contact address and contact information, phone number, or email address. You can also edit the property information. All you have to do is click on Edit to make these changes. To send out an email, this quickly sends it out, meaning you cannot make any edits to the content of the email and SMS. You click on this button. To edit and send, you click on this button. If you only want to edit and send an email, you can do so through here. In other words, you don't have to send out the SMS. If you only want to send out the SMS, you can do the same thing under the SMS tab. Once you've sent out that appointment reminder, you wait until the day of the appointment and you'll come back to the appointment and then click on Create Appraisal. That's how you create a market appraisal appointment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name is Kelly, Kelly, at iceberg-digital.co.uk. Thank you and have a great day.